It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys, and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to have an easy 4-ingredient chicken crock pot meal. All you're going to need is 2 pounds of chicken. You can have chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever you want. 1 pack of the onion soup mix, 1 cream of chicken soup, and 1 French onion soup condensed. First, I've got my crock pot sprayed or greased. I want to take the chicken and just lay in the bottom, try to lay it flat. Okay, I've got them all laid flat. Now we're going to mix up the other ingredients. Okay, all I'm going to do is really just dump and mix. This is real easy, and then you can just set it and forget it. Got the French onion soup and the chicken, cream of chicken soup. Try to get all that out of there. You could make your own. Want to. And onion soup mix. And we're going to stir this up. Okay, and all we're going to do is pour it right over top of the chicken. Now I'm going to put the lid on the crock pot, set it for 4 to 6 hours. Probably go 6 since we had a little bit more chicken. And we'll be back whenever that gets done. Okay, here it is after 6 hours. It's real tender. Now you can, we're going to put this over some rice and vegetables. You can leave it whole. You can shred it up. We're going to try and just slice it up and see how it does. We'll plate it up and give it a try. Okay, here it is all plated up. It didn't slice. It was falling apart. So we'll see how it is. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Alrighty. I'll get some that you shredded back here.
Get me a piece here.
Mmm.
And the rice.
Good.
We've got it over rice, and I made some fresh green beans with the country ham.
Yep.
It's delicious.
Mm.
Everything's good.
Keeper.
Keeper. Meal fit for a king.
It's an easy meal. You just mix together that stuff, put a chicken in the crock pot, and
go outside and do your work.
Yep, that's what we've done today. All right, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.
Holmans Homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holmans Home.